Atma Namaste everyone. I am Kanika Batra. Welcome back to Hamsa Path. Can you believe we have reached the end of 2024? Just 2 weeks ago, we embraced the full moon in Gemini, reflecting, releasing, and letting go of the patterns, beliefs, and emotions that no longer served us. That ritual prepared us to step into this new moon with clarity and a clean slate. And this new moon is happening on 31st December, just before stepping into 2025. While the full moon helped us release the old, the new moon is all about planting seeds for the future, especially when it is before entering the new year. And what makes this particular new moon even more special? It is in the zodiac sign of Capricorn, a grounded, ambitious energy that supports long term goals and building a solid foundation for 2025. In this video, I will guide you through a new moon ritual designed to carry forward the work we started during the full moon. It will help you manifest your dreams and goals for the year ahead. So grab a candle, your journal, and a blue and a green pen, and let's get started. So first is setting the space. As always, we begin by creating a sacred and intentional space. The new moon is subtle and introspective, so set an atmosphere of calm and stillness. You can light some incense and play some soft music in the background. Smudge your space with sage, palo santo, or any cleansing herb you love. This will clear away any lingering energies from the past lunar cycle and prepare the space for your intentions to take root. Take a moment to sit quietly and breathe deeply. Remember the powerful cleansing and releasing work we did on the full moon. Now it's time to build on that cleared energy by focusing on creation and growth. Do you remember the powerful cleansing and releasing work we did on the full moon? Now it's time to build on that clear energy by focusing on creation and growth. So the step 1 is reflect on the full moon work. So take your journal or notes from the last full moon ritual. If you wrote down what you released, revisit that list and notice how you feel about those things. Does the energy feel lighter? Are you feeling more open to new possibilities? If you feel like there's more to release, don't worry. That's completely natural. So take your blue pen and write down anything new that's come up in the past 2 weeks that you're ready to let go of. This step allows us to fully clear the slate before planting new seeds. If you are new to my channel and did not do the last full moon ritual of release, then you can still do that by just writing down what you want to change about yourself. Any limiting beliefs about yourself, any fears, any self-doubt, write it all down and say to yourself that I let go and release all these. Then step 2 is set your intentions for the new moon. Now take a fresh page on your journal and with a green pen write at the top, seeds of intention for 2025. Green symbolizes abundance, growth and heart energy. So start writing your intentions with the green pen as though they have already manifested. Some examples: I'm thriving in my dream career, attracting opportunities with ease. I'm surrounded by a supportive and loving community. And lastly, I am financially abundant and aligned with my purpose. Capricorn energy is all about structure and discipline. So think about steps you will make these intentions a reality. This is not just about dreaming, it's about committing to your vision. Think about what daily habits or small changes you can make to align yourself with these intentions. Step 3. Candle meditation for grounding and growth. Now light your candle, which represents protection and grounding. Hold your journal close to your heart and visualize yourself as a tree with deep, sturdy roots anchoring you to the earth. Imagine all these challenges, doubts you've released sinking into the ground, transforming you into nourishment for your future growth. Once you feel centered, place your journal in front of the candle and speak your intentions out loud. Feel the energy of these words as these ripple out into the universe. then spend a few minutes meditating on this vision. Imagine yourself living the life you have written about. Feel the joy, the confidence, and gratitude of this reality as though it is already here. To ground your intentions further, write down one practical action you can take this week to move closer to your goals. Capricorn energy loves a solid plan. So think about small achievable steps, maybe reaching out to a mentor, setting a financial goal, or starting a new habit. This step bridges the gap between the spiritual and the physical, turning your intentions into reality. As we close this ritual, take a moment to express gratitude to yourself for showing up, to the new moon for its renewing energy, and to the universe for aligning you with your highest path. You can say a simple affirmation like, I trust the process of my life and align with the abundant energy of the universe. Now extinguish your candles with the intention, knowing that the energy of this ritual will continue to grow and manifest throughout the next lunar cycle and beyond. If you had prepared full moon water or charged your crystals earlier on the full moon, you can use them now to help with your intentions. You can drink the water while visualizing your intentions or place your crystals near your candles to amplify the energy of this ritual. This new moon is your chance to start fresh and align with the limitless possibilities of 2025. If you found this ritual helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your intentions in the comments below. Let's continue building our Hamsa Path community, a space where we support and uplift each other on this beautiful journey of growth and manifestation. Thank you so much for watching. Wishing you all a new year filled with blessings and growth. Until next time, keep shining your light. Atma Namaste.